basically, this egg experiment, which we are going to do today, is just a sinking egg and a floating egg. Easy, simple. Okay, so what you need for today's experiment is 2 eggs, 2 glasses or anything like that, salt, something to mix with, and some water. Okay, so now we are going to pour the water into both glasses. Okay, so let's now add 2 spoonfuls of salt. We're going to put it here. And now, take your 2 eggs. Put one in the one with only one. It just sinks. You see? Alright, now place this egg in this one. Alright, it's gonna float. Little body in there. Doesn't look like this one's floating. That's okay. Mistakes always happen. Let's put 3 more spoonfuls of salt. Your egg would have to be floating right now, or else you don't want to know what's going to happen next. Now it won't punish you. It's floating, floating, floating! Now come here. I want to see. Floating. Good egg, good egg, good egg. Now you float. Good egg. I won't break you in pieces now. Float it up. And look at this egg. It's like, I don't have enough energy. I don't want to swim. But this egg is already swimming. This egg is just sleeping in the water. This